Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to add and manage Google Assistant on your headphones QCY T13. You have to start by open QCY application, go to settings, and right here we can see that we can only call voice assistant by pressing 3 times on the left earbud, but you can change it for the single press, double press, or swapped it to the right earbud. So if you just press 3 times, you will call Google Assistant. Yeah, it's working, but I'm not set up this assistant. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.